Hi, this is Bryce Bergman for pwrbb.blogspot.com. Welcome to a graphic and visual rhetorical analysis of pages 12 and 13 from Pax Americana, In Which We Burn, by Grant Morrison and Frank Quietly. The storyline comes as the fourth chapter in Morrison's spectacular series, The Multiversity. Captain Atom, a major character in the story, describes these specific pages as a massless time-symmetrical boson, a Mobius loop curving through 8 dimensions. And if we take a look at the pages themselves, you might understand why. Using 32 total panels and one steady environment, Grant masterfully relates 3 distinct scenes occurring at separate points in time. Closure, as explained by MacLeod, plays a major role in understanding the presented information. If the gutters were filled in, all 32 panels would combine to create a single uninterrupted view of the Pax Museum. For example, the highlighted panels make a complete statue. By only showing readers parts of the entire picture, Morrison quietly provided an opportunity for the audience to fill in the gaps, to perform closure. Reader participation also plays a major role as all 3 scenes are presented in a subject-to-subject format. A specific example is here in panels 6 and 8. Nora exclaims that the phone is dead, and then, through Morrison's visual representation of quietness, we see her call Chris's name in a more hushed tone. The reader then participates by assuming that Nora heard an unexpected noise between her 2 comments. In terms of the scenes themselves, the creators rely on audience participation to fill in the action gaps brought about by the gutter and interruptive scene panels. If we distinguish each scene from the others as seen in this color-coded overlay, we see that each scene plot has the ability to stand alone. Because of these pages' unconventionality, performing closure is not as automatic as most comics usually encourage. Morrison included this conversion of closure and active participation specifically to exhibit how the world appears to Captain Atom, a character whose perspective transcends the linear progression of time. These concepts and many others are highly present throughout this comic and all contribute to a complex, meaningful storyline. I hope you enjoyed this analysis and thank you for watching.